Two hungry neighbors here.
In 2020. I was going to say Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy 2020. Our first video of 2020.
It is.
And we have a good one. I'm pretty excited about it.
I think we nailed this one.
Now, I don't know if you all have subscribed to our channel, but we highly recommend you do. We have some awesome recipes we're going to be bringing to you in 2020. And we did a little recap of 2019 with our favorites, so be sure to check that out because there were some really good ones.
There's some really good ones in there. So what do we have today?
This is, you found this recipe, vegan mushroom risotto. And I don't know about you, but all the risottos I've ever made they're creamy and delicious, but they're super high in fat, they're full of dairy. And so I was really excited when you found this vegan mushroom risotto. I mean, the word mushroom alone, it makes me happy. So this looks so good, and it was easy.
And it was very easy.
And cheap.
And I think that people get nervous about making risottos because they think, I mean, it's a labor of love. It takes a little bit longer to stir in a quarter cup of broth at a time and stir, but the end result, definitely
well, and it only took us about 25 minutes of here and there, but I think it's going to be delicious. I'm super excited to try it. But it is a vegan dish. It is gluten-free. It's got, our garbanzo beans in it or chickpeas for protein. So
the difference between, you want to show them the arborio? This is the arborio rice that you need to use, not regular rice.
Not regular rice.
Yeah.
And I love this kind of got a chewy consistency. This is a gluten-free product and really yummy.
Yeah. And then at the end, we just stirred in some nutritional yeast flakes, and this gives it kind of that cheesy little flavor. So.
And it's got a little balsamic vinegar. It's got a little coconut aminos, which is kind of our gluten-free soy sauce, and plenty of mushrooms. So I'm gonna put it on my plate. This looks. I'm
just gonna take a bite.
You're just gonna take a bite. Well, I'm gonna put a little.
All right, maybe I should do that because I'm afraid I'm gonna want more than one bite.
Well, that was my thinking. Okay. Get a mushroom. Get a bean. Yum-y. That is so good. It's so creamy. It does have coconut milk in it.
It does. So I'm getting that. I'm also getting the wine, the white wine that we put in, which I love. I love wine in dishes. I like to drink wine too.
This has got amazing flavor. I love it. Yeah, I'm tasting the coconut milk, the wine, those mushrooms. It's almost, gosh, that is so good.
It's so good. And listen, if you like meat, add some chicken.
Yeah.
Add some steak. Add some shrimp would be delicious.
I think steak would be good in there too.
So, I mean, you can add meat to this if you don't want to, if you need something to bump it up, but it is so good.
It's delicious.
I'm so happy we made this.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to put the link to the recipe below. You need to check this out, guys. We're all looking to, I think, improve our health and diet in 2020. That's just a thing people like to do in January. And I know vegan is a lifestyle that some people like to follow, and so this works with that, but it is also a gluten-free product for those of you that can't have gluten. And as Jill said, you can just add some meat if you want to have extra protein with it. So super versatile, inexpensive, easy dish. So check it out.
Delicious.
Yep. Thanks. We'll see ya. That is so good.
It is so good.